You could be sitting on thousands of dollars right now and not even know it. Like this guy, or this guy. If you use Solana DeFi at all, whether that's trading tokens or getting yield, the first tab you should open every single morning is Portfolio on Jupiter. Here's why. Jupiter Portfolio shows you your net worth all in one place. No more clicking around, no more custom spreadsheets, everything you need to see right there, clean and packaged nicely. It's not just balances for how many tokens you hold, but also where your money is working for you. You can see your wallet breakdown platform by platform. See what you have on Jupiter, Meteora, Huma, Lulo, anywhere else. It tracks every protocol that you've ever interacted with and how your positions are performing in real time. You can even monitor things like your existing limit orders, your DCAs, your LP positions, and even your vesting positions. That's everything from your recurring buys to your yield generating assets. Did you buy Sol yesterday in your ledger? Maybe you sold some memes this morning in your hot wallet? It's all logged in your recent activity tab. No need to check through all your wallets individually. You can bundle them together and then check different groups all in one place. You can even use SNS domains to make it simpler to find all your wallets. We really tried to make this as easy as possible. DeFi can feel like a jungle sometimes. There's too many things to keep track of. You don't know who's going to reward you for what. Jupiter Portfolio brings it all together. But the coolest feature? Airdrop detection. Jupiter flags any airdrops that you haven't claimed yet. People have found hundreds, even thousands of dollars in tokens that they didn't even know they were eligible to get. It's like finding money in the couch cushions on steroids. Oh, and did I mention, by the way, this is entirely free. You have no reason not to go to Jupiter Portfolio right now, add your wallet address, and see what money you might have forgotten about. Before you start your trading day, make sure to check your Jupiter Portfolio. It easily checks across all wallets with just one click. The next airdrop could be yours. Don't wait until it's too late. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.